Hi, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sherry. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm here with another subscription box. So I kind of switched it up. Instead of doing a FabFitFun or an Ipsy glam bag, I kind of like found my happy medium and subscribed to Ipsy's BoxyCharm. So I got this box right here, and it is just like the perfect in the middle. It doesn't cost too much. You're not getting too many items all the time. It's not minis. It's just somewhere in the middle. So it basically comes with 5 items. I believe FabFitFun comes with 8. Ipsy comes with maybe like 4 or 6, but like minis. So this is full-size products, which is amazing. So you get to pick, I believe, 2, and then the other 3, or you get to pick 3 and the other 2 are a mystery, or they just select them for you based on your little profile. So you just fill in all your information, what you would like to receive the most often to least often. So they kind of like personalize it for you. And then they send you the items either every month, or you can do bi-monthly, which is what I chose to do, just so I'm not getting like too many things, because you know, these are full-size products. It's gonna, you know, take me a little bit to like use everything. I don't want like a ton of stuff, and then I'm not paying for something, you know, every single month. So it's about $28 a month, or bi-monthly, and they kind of like curtail it to like the season as well. But yeah, I selected, like I said, 3 out of 5 of these items, and I love all these things, and I'm so excited to try them. I've had this box now for like 2 weeks, and I haven't broken into any of them. I don't know. I guess I could have, but it's like, I don't know. You gotta like be authentic. So I haven't touched anything. I've left them in the box because I just haven't had time to film. But yeah, this arrived like mid-July, and now it's like end of July. So the first thing I got was this Matcha Magic Smoothing Hair Treatment. So this has hemp seed and algae. This is by Pomelo and Company, or Pomelo and Co. I love this cute like green packaging. It has like a little spout at the end, so you could just squeeze the product out, put the cap back on when you're done, and yeah, it's basically a 10-minute hair mask. I like how it has different languages for the ingredients this is in. Just shows me that this is like a popular item worldwide. But yeah, it's basically a transformative hair treatment formulated with our custom oil blend. Chill in the fridge for 10 minutes before use. Apply a hazelnut size amount to mid-lengths and ends. After 30 minutes, shampoo and condition as normal. So that's really cool that you put it in the fridge before using it, so you kind of like cool it down. Not sure what the benefits of that are yet, but I could definitely report back if you guys want to see a review on this and see how I like it. I'm super excited to try it. So that's the first item. Next, we have a Kate Somerville item. So this is basically a daily foaming cleanser, and this is curated to acne, so it's an acne treatment. So I love Kate Somerville. I've tried the products by this brand before and had great results, no reactions or anything. Yeah, this is a more high-end item, I would say. So obviously I'm not purchasing anything from Kate Somerville, you know, on the daily. So this was exciting to get. And obviously it says #1 inspired by our acne treatment, Eradicate. So yeah, I think it's gonna do really well at working with combating my acne. Who knew at 30 years old I would still be dealing with, you know, breakouts and blemishes, but here we are, I am, and obviously I need products that are going to help combat that, you know, problem area of mine. So this is a medicated foaming acne cleanser, and I love foaming products because it just, I don't know, makes me feel so clean, and it just feels like it's really like working to get the dirt and oil off at the end of the day. I usually use my acne treatment stuff at the end of the day, like at night, just to get everything out, and then like I can sleep knowing that my face is super clean. And I use a more like gentle, normal, like everyday cleanser in the morning. So this is probably what I'm going to use at night. So it's a whipped texture. I'm actually super excited to see what the texture is like. Again, if you would like a review on this, let me know and I'll do that. Otherwise, yeah, super excited to try it. If you have tried it before, let me know if you like it down below. Okay, next we have a 24K gold mineral mud mask. So I needed a skin mask because I didn't have any at the moment. So this looked really good. It's obviously a little bit tiny, but it says 24K gold. I mean, who could pass up that packaging? Like, you think gold, you think like luxurious, super fancy, works really well, and it's a mud mask, which I'm a sucker for. I don't know, just gives me like the full spa experience, like I'm doing like a facial at home. So I have never heard of Ahava. If you have, let me know if you like the brand. I'm new to it, obviously. So this one says, reveal 2 of the world's most ancient beauty secrets in a single step. 2 elements of nature come together to enhance your natural beauty. Dead Sea mineral mud combined with pure 24-karat gold. A treatment fit for royalties. So that's super like luxurious, and I'm a mom now, so I literally deserve it. You know what I mean? Like, I have realized, like, now that I'm a mother and other things get put on hold, like I don't get my nails done all the time, my hair isn't always done, but like the one thing I want to like really focus on is like my skincare. You know what I mean? Like hair care and skincare. I want to like treat myself well because I deserve it, and I'm obviously 30, I'm getting older, and this is the time where like you need to start doing proactive things to keep your youth. So, really excited to try this. 2 items left. So the next item we have is this Malin and Goetz, I don't know if I'm saying this right, Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. So obviously I have a cleanser, I needed a moisturizer because I like to try skincare. This is like a very plain and simple packaging. It's interesting, it has basically like the description on the front, and the ingredients on the back. Nope, ingredients are also on the front. I don't know what this is on the back. It's like in a different language maybe. But this is our lightweight moisturizer, synthesizes natural vitamin E, chamomile, and absorbent fatty acids. Gently and effectively hydrates, balances, and calms all skin types. So, just like a moisturizer, I like to try different ones to see like which ones work best with my skin, because I have like a combination type of skin. You know, it gets oily but also gets dry. Depends on the seasons as well. And then also I have like large pores and acne prone skin, so definitely interested to give this a try. I like packaging that's also like very simple, like they're not trying too hard. It makes me think that like they don't have to like push you to buy it. Like, they're good, it is what it is, and that's, you know, that's all there is to it. So I'm excited to try this one as well. Last but not least, seems like kind of like a random choice, I picked this one, but it's a brow gel. I got my brows laminated about 2 months ago maybe, and she said that brow gel would really help to like keep that shape, and then I feel like it does help when I'm like tweezing to like maintain my brows, because it like really gets the hairs in place. Also, I like how it looks, like especially like in the summer, it's like an effortless, like, I don't know, like full brow look. And brow gels just don't typically work with my brows. I don't know, they either just are too long and they'll just go back to being like a straight line, or they're just crazy. Like, there's always that one hair that like wants to face whatever direction it wants to, and it doesn't do what I want it to. So I was like, well, if I'm gonna go high end, I might as well get like a good brow gel. So this is the Wing Me brow gel. It's literally like a clear, simple tube, but here's the the box for the brow gel. It's just, yeah, a clear gel. Keep your brows in place with the Wing Me Clear Brow Gel. The brush-on matte formula strokes eyebrows into shape and tames hairs for natural-looking definition that lasts all day. Use alone or as a topper to set your brow makeup. I have already used this, so I'll admit it. I did use it. I wanted to see what it was like, and it works really well. Like, it is really good. It's a good brow gel, and I used it alone and over top of filling in my eyebrows, and I think it works just incredibly. I kept them put. But I would definitely have to touch up, like maybe throughout the day, especially if you're sweating or going swimming. You might have to touch it up, but overall, love this. I'm gonna have all the items down below in the description so you can see like how much each one costs, what they go for individually, and I'll also have a link for Ipsy if you guys want to sign up. I have the BoxyCharm subscription, so you kind of have to like look around the Ipsy site because you can do like add-ons, you can do larger boxes. They have like different subscription options, so you gotta kind of see what fits for you. But I have the BoxyCharm one, comes with 5 full-size products. You can either do monthly for $28 or buy a monthly for $28. And you can also skip a month if you don't want to do that month. You can also skip, is also an option. So it's really flexible. I love it. I think it's perfect, and I'm super happy with this subscription. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I have a bunch of new subscribers here. I'm so happy you guys are here. Yeah, I have a lot of different content here, anything from beauty, fashion, fitness, and lifestyle, so you don't want to miss out. Definitely hit subscribe to see all of my videos to come, and until I see you guys in my next video. Bye!